So a few weeks ago, a big time social media influencer got exposed for being a fraud, a phony. Somebody even called him a scammer. All right, if you haven't heard of this guy called the Liver King, it was the dude that blew up really fast on social media. With like under a year or two, he became super popular, got millions and millions of followers. Now his big gimmick was this dude basically looked like a damn caveman, and this dude is built, right? Muscles everywhere, cock diesel. I mean, he's just muscular. He looks phenomenal, right? So a lot of people's like, man, wow, like you look great, man. How do you look this damn good? And his big gimmick is, I just eat liver. I eat a shit ton of liver, and I eat testicles. Now the testicles kind of threw me off when I heard this, but I'm like, hey man, whatever. But that was his big thing, right? Oh, hey, I look like this because I eat a ton of liver and testicles, and I take all these supplements, right? He had his own little supplement line. He got a supplement deal or something like that, where he's selling all these like weird, supplements to help your body, be healthier and all of this stuff. But his whole thing was the way he looks, right? So the big controversy is, in all these interviews he would be in, right? A lot of the interviewers would always say, look, man, you look good, man. What are you doing? He'll tell you, I eat testicles and liver. And then the next question would always, so you don't take no drugs? You don't take no steroids? And the Liver King would be adamant. No, man, I don't do no steroids. Oh, I'm against steroids. No, hell no, no steroids. Oh, no, right? That was the big thing. For over a year, he would tell anybody and everybody, like, dude, this body, okay, did not come from steroids. Y'all ridiculous, right? It's the way I live. It's my lifestyle. It's what got me this body. It's the liver and these damn testicles that I eat. Still can't get my head around the damn testicles. Whatever. So that was his big thing. So a couple of weeks ago, some like trainer or whatever leaked some emails between the Liver King and I think either his doctor or trainer, whatever, basically going over his steroid use. Basically saying like, I need to take this, 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 I take this, I take that, because I'm really trying to look like this next year, right? This dude is taking crazy amounts of steroids to look the way he looked. I mean, it ain't even close. I mean, he ain't taking just a little bit. This dude taking all kinds of shit, and he got exposed. So a couple days after being exposed, the Liver King comes out and he's like, yo, sorry, my bad. I was doing it to help people. I was doing it to motivate people and all of that, right? So a lot of people are like done with the Liver King, right? Some people still rock with him, but a lot of people like, damn, man, damn, you really didn't look like that from eating liver and testicles? Really? So now like he in a rut right now. But let me tell you something about the Liver King. The Liver King has made millions of dollars in the last year or two from his whole gimmick of being this muscular dude that got like that by eating liver, right? And testicles. So if his money right, like he should be very well off financially, even if this dude did fall off and you never hear from him again, which I doubt it. But even if that's the case, dude made a ton of money online, basically being a social media influencer. But he pretty much is a fraud, all right? So what should we have learned from this whole Liver King being exposed situation, all right? Two things, in my opinion, that I got from this situation. The first thing is, you can't believe everything you see online or on TV. You just can't, right? So when it comes to eating liver or testicles or the supplements the guy was promoting, like, it's up to us as consumers. Do your research. It don't matter what it is. Do some damn research, right? It's okay to look at ads, right? I mean, that's what marketing is. It's all right to, read articles and watch videos, but at the end of the day, you got to do a little bit of research. You can't just look at somebody and they say, oh, do this, and just be like, all right, cool, right? Because obviously this Liver King dude looks the way he looks, and it probably has very little to do with the liver that he eats and the testicle that he eats, which is, damn it, right? But, and I'm sure it does have benefits to eating liver and stuff like that, but not to the degree of this dude, the way this dude looked, right? So first thing we should learn is you can't believe every damn thing you see online. But the positive side, the second thing that I took away from this situation is it is very possible to make money online. And in fact, it's very possible to make a lot of money online. Because if, for whatever reason, if the dude wasn't on steroids or he didn't get busted or whatever, I ain't telling anybody to scam. That shit trash, because you probably will get caught. But just say this dude really did look like that from eating liver and testicles and the supplements that he was promoting. Just say that was the case. And, it was legit, right? Damn, look how much money this dude made. He's a millionaire in under 2 years. Think about that. From basically being a social media influencer. So this should be very motivating to anybody who's trying to get into, making money online and being an entrepreneur and having that financial freedom. This is a perfect example of that, minus dude being exposed for, being heavy on steroids. All right. But that's my take on the Liver King. Dude got exposed, but I'm sure he'll probably bounce back with something and whatever, right? He'll be all right. All right. So that's my take on it. Let me know, what did you think about the Liver King?